Hi guys, let us make that delicious chicken stew. Yes. Well, if this is your first time to see my channel, this is Martino Ezugo Kitchen. Do well to subscribe and turn on your notification bell. Yes, you are seeing the process we are going through to wash our chicken. If you buy any animal protein, do well to use salt. Now, the process of the spicing is very important. See the way I'm spicing the chicken. I will not add any water because of what? If you add water, the chicken or the beef rather might not give you exactly the taste you want. After watching this video, if you find the video helpful, don't forget to give me a thumb. To help this platform recommend the video to other people. Very important. And if you are not subscribed, do well to subscribe. After putting all the spices needed, I have to turn it to make sure that it's rub all over the chicken. Then I cover, alright, and put on the fire already. You have seen we are already pounding our I know some people do not expect it. Yes, mortar can do wonderful if you know how to handle it. I use mortar to pound my tomatoes. What do you think about this? Very interesting. I was born and brought up in a local way. Well, there is health benefit of using mortar. People that know what I'm talking about. Now we pound our pepper. We add our garlic and ginger. Can you believe that mortar performed this magic? You did not believe it? Then we cut onions inside a little to pound together with the pepper and ginger and garlic. If you follow this process, trust me, your stew will be wonderful. Now we check our chicken. Remember, I did not put water in the chicken earlier. When parboiling like this, cook for the minimum of 5 minutes and check. Within that 5 minutes, the chicken will produce its own water and take it back. Then you do well to add your own desired quantity of water and cover and cook for 15 minutes. Now, as the chicken is getting ready, we are preparing other things, our onions, our bell pepper. Bell pepper is rich, alright? Yes, if you want to know more health benefits of bell pepper, let me know on comment section. But trust me, when you use bell pepper to make your meal, it's very delicious. Now our chicken is ready, as you can see. It's ready now. What are we going to do? We drop it down and fry our vegetable oil. If you are not subscribed to this time, what are you waiting for? Do well to subscribe. Adding your onions immediately, don't waste time. Add your grounded tomatoes. If you are using paste tomato also, immediately, don't waste time. Add it. The reason why you are adding it together to save time and other things, so that as the tomatoes will be drying water, the paste tomato will be cooked alongside with it. Try this method of making your stew. Trust me, you will appreciate me. You know that Xmas is by the corner when people are making special dishes for their friends and family. Do well to stir to make sure that the tomato has melted and mixed together with the fresh. Like for 5 minutes, you check it to see the condition. Continue stirring this to avoid getting burnt. Alright, before adding chicken, make sure that your tomatoes has dried water. Then we add our chicken. We add the chicken stock, alright? Then we turn to make sure everything mixed up together. You know, here in Africa, we always like to turn. When you add the chicken, you cook for 10 minutes. Then you add this onga, that's what I use, and curry powder. You can also do well to add any kind of curry, whether the fresh curry or this. We add our salt, add our seasoning cube. Very, very interesting. When you add all these things, cook for 5 minutes. Then add your bell pepper. When you add your bell pepper, cook for a minimum of 2 minutes, bring down, serve hot, food is ready. Let me know what you think on comment section about this particular one. Do you find the video helpful? If yes, let me know.